In this video, we'll look at how to create a WordPress site locally on your PC using an app called Xampp. I'll guide you through the entire process, showing you how to install Xampp, how to install WordPress, and how to download and customize the child theme. Here's a couple of reasons why you want to install WordPress locally on your device when using it to make websites. First, WordPress is written in PHP, so you need some kind of server and a database to run it. So you will need a hosting plan just to get started working with it. So installing it using Xampp will allow you to practice without buying anything. If you build websites for clients, you can definitely benefit from doing them on Xampp before you back up and host them online. Enough about that, let's get started. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. The first step is to download the latest version of Xampp for your operating system. Once you are done, just open it and start the Apache server and MySQL. Then click on Admin. Once you are on the Xampp dashboard, click on My PHP Admin. If you're opening Xampp for the first time, you will have to add a user by clicking on Accounts here and then clicking on Add User Account. You will have to give this new account a name, a password, and all the permissions. From there, we'll need to create our database here. Just give it a name and click on Create Database. Once our database is created, all we need to do is go to our browser and then download WordPress. I'll leave the link to WordPress in the description down below. Just click on Download WordPress to download the latest version of WordPress, and this will download a zip file to your downloads folder. What you want to do is to go to the folder where you installed Xampp and look for a folder called htdocs. In this folder, we are going to create another folder within which our website will exist. Just give it a name and save it. And then go back to the WordPress zip we downloaded and copy everything that's inside into the new folder that we just created. WordPress has way too many files inside, so this will take a while. I'll speed this up. Once everything is copied, you will need to note the name of the database that you created and then the name of the folder that you created. From there, what I want you to do is go back to the browser, put in the following URL, localhost, followed by the name of the folder that we created earlier. So my URL here is going to look like this. Once you click on enter, it will take you to this page where you'll have to install WordPress. Just choose a language and then click on continue. Now we'll need to provide the name of the database we created, our username, our password, and then the host. The database host is going to be localhost, and the database prefix is going to be WP_. Don't change this. Just click on submit and run the WordPress installation. After that is completed, you'll have to pick a name for your website and then input your username, your password, your email, and click on install WordPress. Once WordPress is installed, you'll click on login, input your details, check remember me, and login. And this will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you now have WordPress installed on your local machine using Xampp. To look at how our WordPress look now, you click at the top and then click visit this site. What you want to do now is click on appearance and then themes. Here's where we'll install our child themes. Click on add new theme and search for any theme you like. Popular WordPress themes include this one here and then that one. But what I'm currently looking for is a WordPress theme called WordPress. Click on preview to look at how it looks. Copy the link. And this link will take you to the live preview of that theme so that you can see what it will look like once we import it. So as you can see, this is powered by Bootstrap 4 and it's creative and impressive. So this is what we'll be working with. Just click on install. Once it is done installing, click on activate. So once we've downloaded this theme right here, our website will look like this. All we have to do is adjust this theme to work for us. Change the images, change the colors, and change the text to our own text. So click on activate, and when you check the site, you'll notice that it doesn't look exactly like that live preview we just saw. We can fix this by importing the data of that WordPress theme. Once the demo content of that WordPress theme is installed, our website will look like the live preview we just saw. Click on activate, and this will give you two choices of starter sites. Just choose whichever one you like and click on start import. Click on import now, and this will start importing the demo content to our website and installing all the required plugins. This may take a while, so I'll try to speed it up. And as you can see, when we visit our website now, it now resembles that theme closely. And all we have to do now is to customize it. We just need to go back to WordPress, click on appearance and customize. From here, we can change the overall look of the website. Anything we want to do, we can do now. So just customize it in whatever way you want. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate how to change the menu of the website. It's quite easy. You go back to the WordPress dashboard, click on appearance, WordPress theme, and then menus. And here's our menu. You can change the text, rearrange items, change where they link to, etc. To change the customization of the home page and the logos, you will need to go to WordPress. You will need to go to the WordPress dashboard, click on themes, and then customize. This will take you to this view here when you can change the site's colors, the site's menu padding, the site's headers, the site's logo, identity, etc. And that's all I had to say for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.